Today I'm making fried potatoes baked in the oven. What you're going to need is 5 pounds of potatoes cut up in a pan, casserole pan. Then we're going to put salt and pepper to taste, a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then we're going to have 3/4 cup of margarine I melted in a coffee cup in the microwave. To that I'm going to add dried onion, a tablespoon of that, a tablespoon of parsley, and we're going to mix that up in the butter here, just like that. And then we're going to dump it onto potatoes. But first, we're going to cover the potatoes with water. We have the oven preheated at 400 degrees. So you just want to cover the potatoes barely with the water. Okay. Use all of it. Okay, now kind of flatten them out. Then we're going to dump our mixture of butter on top. So it goes all the way down through. Scrape it all out. We're going to mix it up a little bit. It's intertwined in there. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes, and then we're going to check it, see how it's doing. Like I said, the oven's on 400 degrees. We're going to bake it covered up with aluminum foil for 30 minutes. The oven just beeped. The potatoes have been in for 30 minutes. I'm going to stir them up a little so they get all the water juices on them. They ain't getting dried out. They're not done yet because you can see your fork won't go through them yet. We just check them every 30 minutes to make sure they're not getting burnt on the edges and they're getting in all the juices, soaking up all the juices. Now, put it back in for 30 minutes on 400 degrees with the foil on top. After being in the oven 30 more minutes, they're still not quite soft enough, so we're going to stir them up a little and bake them 30 more minutes. You just don't want them to burn on the bottom. You want them to soak in all that juice. So we're going to stir them up a little, put them back in the oven for 30 more minutes with the foil on, and then check them again. Our potatoes just come out of the oven. They're all nice and soft and done. And we're going to take them out of the liquid, put them in a nice glass casserole dish for serving. They are nice and juicy and very soft. See, they just break apart. And I hope you like your baked potatoes in the oven. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. Instead of frying potatoes, I just bake them in the oven.